Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to log out of Facebook on all devices. So head over to Facebook application first. Once you're there, just head over to the hamburger menu on the top right corner and then go to settings. In here, keep scrolling down until you find your activity log. Head over there. Now go to logged information. Now go to security and login information. Now go to logins and logouts. Now here you will find the IP addresses on which your IP addresses or the devices on which your Facebook is logged in. So from there you have to tap any one of them, and let's just tap any one of them and you can delete, or by logging out you can just here where you are logged in, head over to the three dots and here tap on log out, and then your option or your Facebook account will be logged out from that specific device. So yeah, this is how easy you can log out of all devices on Facebook. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.